Online workshop facilitation. Module 1, Lesson 2. Manage the content of the workshop. Most workshops will include some slides, audiovisual material, and other items that will be presented. Spend enough time preparing this content or working with whomever it has been delegated to. Take ownership of checking the content beforehand and even make reference to it in the agenda. You may not be an expert on this material, but this can also work to your advantage because other people in the workshop may also not be familiar with it, and you should test the material on their behalf, both beforehand and during the session. Some important principles for managing workshop content. Not too many slides. Work on an average of 1 slide per 5 minutes of presentation time. Remember that the intention of a workshop is to get input from people, not for them to have to consume too much one-way material. Slides must be well laid out, font must be big enough, and do avoid any kind of transitions between slides or even animations on the slides. However, videos can work well if they are emotive, not too long, and if they are relevant to the topic of the workshop. Double check beforehand that those videos will work on the video conferencing system that you are using. And lastly, send out all the content, except the videos, as well as the agenda, at least 2 working days before the workshop. If there is a video and it is available on the internet, then send the link in the covering email where you also itemize the attachments and set the tone for the meeting. Indicate that you are looking forward to the session and encourage everyone to read through the material, prepare well, and ensure that they are energized on the day.